Hey guys, Alex here. Welcome to another episode of Momentum Charting. Today we are going to be getting into a quick setup on XPEV. Quickly, if you're new to the channel, welcome. If you have not yet done so, please jump down, take 2 seconds, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell notification. Doing those two things will ensure you do not miss any updates on this channel. Moving forward on XPEV, all your favorite charts, all your favorite stocks, broad markets, everything in between. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's dive in here quickly. I'm going to make this video very quickly. Just one last one for the day here, but the setup that I was seeing earlier today on NEO and now also XPEV, which is also obviously in the recyclable electric vehicle segment, getting absolutely crushed pre-market, which to me is making that NEO trade even better. It just looks like the setup is going to be really nice for that short-term scalp, and I'm seeing the exact same scenario developing here on XPEV. This just looks really nice, guys. So what I'm expecting to happen here, you can see this follow through on this momentum line is indeed working here in the pre-market / after hours of today. Still working down. Actually, it's down quite a bit more like this. I think XPEV, let me just double check here and see exactly what I'm showing. Yeah, down 6.5% pre-market. So all the way down to, let's see, so let me check. Sorry about that. Just want to make sure I'm getting the right information. Down to 38.35 in pre-market. So around 38.35. So around these levels here. But this is just like textbook stuff. Exactly what I'm looking for in these swing trades is like this really these big sell-offs, couple after another, and then in conjunction with a momentum reset and a buildup of a positive divergent bottom. So we have a chance to work really nicely back to the upside here. I think sometime, let's see, what's this trend line? Sometime maybe Wednesday, Thursday, going to be looking for this MACD to turn back up here and get a nice pop in price back to the upside. Now, whether or not that 6.5% holds, sometimes pre-market Monday can be really iffy, and that may not hold. It may open 2% down, 3% down, and spike back up, and during the day actually go in the green. We don't know, but we can see here this momentum line still pushing down, but that's besides the point. Downward pressure in the very micro short term is still pushing down. We are waiting for this, again, this setup on this positive divergent bottom and this MACD to explode to the back to the upside here. You can see the longer term MACD alignment, not perfect but not bad either, working up slowly, sort of neutral at this point. So a positive momentum turn back on this MACD is going to take prices, I definitely believe, at least back to these areas up here around $44. So you do the math from 36 back to 44. That's a nice big percentage gain, really healthy on that. So that's what I'm going to be looking for on this short-term scalp on XPEV over the next few days. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, tuned in. You're not going to want to miss this. This and the NEO trade to me look really awesome. Also the AMC trade. So a few really interesting micro swing trades in the works here. And then you might be asking, so Alex, how are you going to know? How are you going to determine when is the right time to enter? Guys, it's really very simple. I'm going to be watching for a curling down and a reset of this momentum line, turning back to the upside here, and I want a confirmation of a 15-minute breakout of momentum back to the upside. And once that happens on both of those things, and you get that positive divergent bottom here, that to me confirms a solid entry. So I'm just going to be following the stock up from that price. And where am I going to be getting out? Well, I'm going to be doing something very similar to what I did here, setting my 15-minute momentum trend line near the breakout point, and then the next dip, sort of looking for these periods that the price dropped and setting a trend line here, and then exiting in the short term, at least when it breaches, because both of these to me right now are going to be basically short-term swing trades, just because overall both the charts on the longer-term daily 3 hours appear to be neutral. So I think there's a chance to pick off some bottoms here for some nice gains, especially, like I said, with that big downswing in pre-market today. I think we're getting set for a really nice swing trade here. So again, what I'm going to do on XPEV here, when we break this, I'm going to be watching the momentum start swinging back to the upside and setting a trend line. Okay, and once that trend line breaks down to the downside, just like happened here on July 22nd, I'm out of the trade. Okay, right here, out of the trade. Boom. But getting out well before that big drop, hopefully. So that's the plan on XPEV, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe down below. You're not going to want to miss this trade. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. I will see you all again shortly in the next XPEV update coming either tomorrow, Tuesday, one of those days. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. See you again soon. Bye for now.